How to change KOHO PIN. Need to change your KOHO card PIN. Here's how to do it in seconds. Open the KOHO app and log in. From the home screen, tap the Card tab. Select your card, then tap Manage Card and choose Change PIN. You'll be asked to verify your identity. This could be a code sent to your email, phone, or biometric login. Enter your new 4-digit PIN, confirm it, and you're done. Your new PIN will work instantly for all future transactions. If you forget your PIN, you can reset it anytime in the app. Simple, secure, and done in under a minute. If you need more information, please contact KOHO Customer Service. Customer Service will solve all your problems. Thanks for watching.